Okay, so all the student of class 2, open your math magic book and the page number is 86. Okay, the page number is 86 and also take out your math copy. Okay, I am fine, Reza. Now, so on our previous classes, what we learned, student? We learned about the curved line and the straight line, isn't it? And with using those lines, whether we can make what are the numbers and alphabet that we can write, isn't it? So now tell me that have you ever seen matchbox, student? Have you ever seen matchbox? Say me yes or no. Yes. So inside the matchbox, have you seen the matchsticks? Have you seen matchsticks? Yes. Now can you tell me that that matchstick is look like a straight line or a curved line? Is it look like I think the matchsticks are look like this, isn't it? This is the match. In this way the matchsticks are look. So can you tell me it's straight line? Okay, all are saying straight line. Now the first question that they ask you, okay, let me see that how good you completed this page. Let me check it, okay? That's why I will ask you some question. That is there any number or letter that you cannot make with the matchsticks? Can you make all the numbers by using the matchsticks? Can you mute your audio and whatever the question I am asked, answer me. Say me that can you write down all the numbers by using the matchstick or by showing the, can you show the all the numbers by using the matchsticks? Yes. It is Patusha has said, Patusha, Reza, Shrestha, MD, Washim, all are saying yes. Now, if I say that can you show all the alphabet means A to Z, or can you write your own name by using the matchsticks? Can you write your own name by using the matchsticks? Yes. Okay. So all of you are too much confused. Okay, then do one thing. Write down your own name by using the matchsticks. Let me see that how much you done this topic. Write your own name. Write your own name using sticks. Fast. Use your pencil. Upasho, you type on the computer. Write down on the copy with the pencil and then after that send me the photocopy of that page. Okay? Do it fast. I am giving you 1 minute time. Let me see. Those who are said me, Purbayon, write down on the copy and then after that send me the picture. Okay. Now the board is visible. Okay, you don't, if draw with your pencil like this. If my name is, if I want to write, whose name? If I want to write down a name, this is a small name, Reza. If I want to write down Reza, so how we will take the matchstick? Like this. This is a matchstick. In this way, understand? In this way, I will write down Reza. Okay, it is Shrestha. Okay, Shrestha, this A, write down the A like this. Okay, write it like this. Okay, or else your rest of all is absolutely correct. Nihan. Okay, this A is also all right. You can write down. All right. Okay, Shrestha, you can keep your this A also, or in this way also you can write down. It is Snigdha. S-N-I-G. Snigdha, your G. See the lower part. Lower part will not go like this. G will be like, yes, in this way, this way, this way, this way, like this. J is like this, okay, not in the down part. H, okay, rest of all is very good. Snigdha. Ojasik Vishwas. Okay. Huh? Ojasik. Okay, very good. That's mean you already learned. Very good. Okay, Shrestha, this one is also good. Aradhya, Arman, Purbayon, Rithojit, Shamriddho. Where is your classwork? Somagni, Upasho. Submit it fast. Okay, Somagni, this is good. Upasha. Okay, Upasha. Very good. Okay, understand, Shaptarshi. Okay, now come to the next page. Now come to the next page. Okay, dancing line. So, how many of you practice the dance at home? All of you love to do dancing, isn't it? Now tell me that whenever you are doing the dancing, have you ever think that you are doing little bit maths over there also? So, okay, it is Susan Parveen. Very good. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 87. Have you seen the traffic police? Now tell me that have you ever seen in your real life the traffic police? Have you seen the traffic police or traffic uncle who are, showing the direction, that in which direction the cars have to be moved now and which direction the car has to be stopped? Huh? So see that whenever they are like this, so it is like this. So this side will be car, all the vehicles coming from this should be stopped, and this side will also go. So see, in this way they sometimes do, sometimes they are doing like this. So see, this posture, this is straight line, isn't it? This is straight line, this one is also straight line, isn't it? Now see, those traffic uncle maybe know, or maybe sometime, maybe no, but still, maybe don't know, but still they are following some maths. And also, sometimes whenever you are doing some dance, that time, sometimes your hands are like this, your hand are like this, isn't it? Sometimes some posture of the hand like this. So this time, see, this one become the curved line, isn't it? And this one become the straight line. Sometime you do like this. So this one is slipping line. So slipping line is also a straight line. So isn't it? Sometimes your legs and everything you move so nicely, and but so all the posture you are doing, that time sometimes you are doing some curved line or some straight line. So see that Ramaya, that girl who is wearing a red color shari and looks so beautiful, is Ramaya. Ramaya saw a traffic police giving direction to vehicles. Does a traffic policeman sometimes make curb lines? What do you think, student? That the traffic police sometimes make curb lines? Yes or no? Yes. So write down over there. Yes. Sometimes the traffic police makes their posture, hand like, sometimes they are doing like this. So that's time their hand little bit bent, so it's also become curved. So yes. Now Ramaya tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made some straight and curved lines. It was fun. It looks like dance. Okay. Look at her, the ant. Can you see the black color ant? Wow, it's very good, Snigdha. Very good. Now look at the ant is saying that look at his arm. They look like straight and slipping line. Okay. Now see try the dance steps given below and enjoy Ramaya. So in your copy, draw this 4 dance step. Draw the 4 dance step. Okay. Sometime in your exam it can become like that use straight lines to make or show one dance step. Like your question can become like that. Use STRAIGHT. Use straight lines to show one dance. D-A-N-C, dance step. Means there you can't use any curved lines. You have to draw all the straight lines. So see, this is the smiley face of you. Then after that, this is your whole body. This is your leg. Okay. So see, this dancing step is very easy and all of you do all the time, isn't it? Oh my God, you can't see the lower part, na? So see here I am draw the small one. This is the smiley face. This is his leg, like this. Okay? See? All the things. This one, this hand is straight line, this is straight line, this one is also straight line. His body is also straight. The legs he bend in the way it's trait. Okay? So where is the other student? Show me the picture of the dancing step that has given on your book. Draw it in your own copy, and then after that send me. I am giving all of you 2 minutes. Do it fast. And with up to this much today we will do. On the next day we will do some another drawing and we will complete our chapter. Then we will move for the next chapter. Okay? Wow, Susan, it's look good.